We'll guide you through how to add border radius in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, access the Windows Start menu on your desktop. Once the Start menu opens, look for Google Chrome by typing its name into the search bar and launch Google Chrome on your computer from the search results. After the browser loads completely, click the address bar, type Figma, and press Enter on your keyboard. From the search results page, click on the official Figma website to continue. Before proceeding, ensure you've already logged into your Figma account so you can access your projects and editing tools. After signing in successfully, the Figma main page will load in your browser. To add a border radius in Figma, start by opening one of your recent projects from a dashboard. Click the desired project, and the edit page of your project will open on the screen. Once the canvas is visible, locate the bottom toolbar and select the rectangle tool. Move your cursor onto the canvas and draw a shape directly behind or around your text by clicking, holding, and dragging until the rectangle reaches the size you want. Release the mouse button to complete the shape. With the rectangle selected, move your cursor to the Properties panel on the right side of the screen and locate the Appearance group. Within this section, find the corner radius setting. You can add rounded corners by entering a specific number into the corner radius field. Alternatively, you can click and drag the control like a slider to increase or decrease the radius visually. As you adjust the value, the corners of the rectangle will become more rounded. Continue modifying the setting until you achieve the appearance you prefer. After adjusting the corner radius, go to the Fill section and click the color square underneath it to open the color picker. Locate the transparency control and drag the transparency slider to the left until it reaches 0%. This will make the fill completely transparent while keeping the shape visible through its border. Next, click on the Stroke section to add a border to the rectangle. Choose a border color that matches your design and adjust any additional stroke settings if necessary. Once these adjustments are complete, you're successfully creating a clean border radius effect around your text.